Tip or trick number poo, pick up your dog's shit daily. It's that time of year that on Facebook people are posting looking for someone to pick up their dog's shit.
Let's take the scenic route today. I normally don't take this way in the winter, but it's been over a week since it snowed. Very scenic today.
Just a good old boy, never meaning no harm. Beats all you never saw, been in trouble with the law since the day they was born.
Tips and tricks by TimCat 100. We all love that resealable zipper at the top, and we all know how that hardly ever works. 2 tips actually. First off, before you open that, take it and shake it and distribute that salt, so you enjoy the salt flavor throughout the whole bag. Now I'm going to tear this open. I'm going to take a handful of peanuts. And you know how it never seems to seal? Because you're doing it wrong. First thing you got to do after you poured those peanuts is clean that little zipper out. Give it a few flicks. Get that salt out of that zipper. Lay it down. If the bag is half empty, you can flip it over. Pinch it in the middle. I don't know if you can see that. Press down till you hear a click, and then do this. And you now have an airtight seal. If you poured the peanuts and just tried zipping it closed because you're drunk, it's not going to close because there's salt caught in the track and little bits of peanut caught in the zipper. Works with bacon bits as well. This one's sealed good. Bacon bits have little bits of debris that will block that little zipper. I love bacon bits. Don't just take a bacon bit. Anyway, you see that crop there? Caught in a zipper? Flick it out of the way. That's why your resealables don't work. Fold it over, push the air out as many times as you can towards the zipper. Press in the middle with your 2 index fingers. You'll hear a click and slide over. These will stay fresher longer if you do that. That is sealed. Works with dog cookies too. Fuck it. I want some more bacon bits. One more time. These ones expire April 4th. Click. Slide your fingers over. Thanks for watching.